How to recover deleted Threads account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Threads app on your device. After you delete your account, you will be logged out from your account and you will find this kind of screen. You will find your login credential in here as well. You can simply click on the profile you want to recover. Then you will find this kind of option. Click on Login as it shows login and cancel Threads profile deletion. So in here, you can simply click on Login. After that, you will be logged in to your account. And this is how to recover deleted Threads account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.